Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel ZAK Bite N Taste. Today I will teach you how to make leaves on watermelon in a straightforward way, for which you do not need any special tools, only the knife, which of course is present in every home, but the knife sharpener you have to use to make the leaves must be sharp from the front, otherwise you will have difficulty in making the edges of the leaves. First of all, cut and smooth both sides of the watermelon so that the watermelon can maintain its balance so that it doesn't bother you, otherwise you waste time playing with it. Balance I have done. Now with the help of a knife mark on one of the two sides, I have marked 9 points. Now sign the leaves on the sides of the watermelon one by one with the tip of a knife. Sign all the leaves by rotating the watermelon in the same way. As you can see, leaves are signed, and one more thing to enhance the beauty of the leaves, keep the distance between the leaves the same, then they will look more attractive. All you have to do now is to deepen these signs with the help of a knife. Keep the depth of the knife so that the red part at the bottom is not damaged. In the same way, deepen all the leaves one by rotating the watermelon just like you signed the leaves on the sides of the watermelon so that you can peel the rest of the rind of the watermelon easily. And when you are peeling the watermelon, be sure to leave a thin layer of pale white inside the fruit. Remember, you should not remove the pale layer from the top and not go too deep that the red part at the bottom becomes visible. Now draw two parallel lines in the middle of the leaf and then cut from both the sides and make it as deep as the edges of the leaves. You can see how deep I have made it. Now apply the cuts on the edge of the leaf diagonally and peel off the middle and keep it stepped so deep that the red and pink part at the bottom is not visible. And on the other side of the leaf, apply the cuts in the same diagonal manner and peel off the middle. Now you can see how beautiful the leaf is and how beautiful the edges look. In the same way, you can prepare the rest of the leaves one by one. Now I will give you some main tips. First of all, let's talk about things you should take care of when buying a watermelon. That is, what kind of watermelon should be. So the first thing you should see when buying a watermelon of any size, large, medium, small, it should be neither raw nor overripe but must be ripe. The other thing you should see in the watermelon is that it should not have holes, it should not have dents, and no pits that imply its rind should be smooth. Now let's talk about its look, what it should be. The shape doesn't matter whether it is oval or round, you have to focus on the tips that I have already told you. So I have told you 4 tips. First thing, size. Size doesn't matter whether it is small, medium, large. The second thing is it should be neither too raw nor too ripe but ripe. The third thing is it should not have holes, any dents, any pits. In short, its rind should be smooth. The fourth thing is shape. The shape doesn't matter whether it is oval or round, so always remember these 4 points when you're buying watermelon because these tips help you in future though you are making any design based on watermelon. Now I'll give you some suggestions. You can customize the size of the leaves to be large, medium or small, it's your choice. If your watermelon is too large, you can make 11 to 13 leaves, and if you want to make more leaves, you can make more. If you desire to make fewer leaves, make fewer. It is not necessary to make the same number of leaves, but if you like large leaf sizes and want more leaves, then the watermelon size should be sizable. And if your watermelon is medium size, you can make 9 to 11 leaves, and if you like medium leaf size and want more leaves, still you should select a large watermelon. And if your watermelon is small, you can make 5 to 7 leaves. This way you can customize the size of the leaf to whatever dimension you want, so you can make as many or as few leaves as you want. And the rest is your own choice. What kind of design you like, this is just an idea, the rest you can make whatever you like. Also, when you buy watermelon, you have to make sure that the watermelon you're choosing will fit your design. Now you can see how sharp and beautiful the edges of the leaves I made look so awesome. So try to make your leaves look just as beautiful and prominent. Make sure to subscribe for future updates and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, so leave a thumbs up, must like and share with friends and families, and pop up the notification bell icon button too for the upcoming notifications so you get notified of the latest videos promptly and it's free. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. See you in another rousing, gleaming video. Take care. Bye for now.